Everyone, how is your day? Today I will show you and share with you how to fix and solve this problem on Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First, now you have to go and open the settings of your device or your phone. Then go directly to apps or applications. Here, as you can see, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search for Play Store. You will open it like this and then go to storage. Then go to clear data and click OK and go back and click force stop and click OK. And now you have the last things is to restarting your phone, and you have to, if you open the Wi-Fi, you have to close it and turn on it again, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.